Nakakita na ba kayo ng ads na naghahanap ng mga empleyado at nagbibigay ng qualifications, no? Preferably female, have a good eyesight, pleasing personality, then weight must be proportional to height, clear complexion, mestiza, para sa mga lalaki, tall, dark, and handsome. At ito ba ay compliant sa ating labor law standards? Sabi ng ating Korte Suprema sa Irasegui versus Philippine Airlines, no? At yung employment in a particular job may not be limited to a person of a particular sex, religion, national origin, or physical actual qualifications. And you can only give specific qualifications if it is required in the job. So kung hindi kailangan ng gagawin mong trabaho sa pinapasukan mong kumpanya, hindi kailangan yung mga tall, dark, and handsome or mga pleasing personality or 5'6" in height na mga requirements. No? And sabi ng Korte Suprema dito sa decision nila, this is discriminatory. No? You cannot discriminate. For example, you're looking for a service crew at yun ang qualifications. Pwede nating sabihin, hindi naman beauty queen contest yung papasukin mo. And because of this, pwede kang magreklamo sa ating DOLE sa violation ng labor standards ng kumpanyang making announcements such as this.